Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a WowTac A1S. Now I was contacted by WowTac. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. Now I have the cool white version. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. It's a pretty good packing. That'll really keep the light safe during transport. I'm going to look here at the user manual. Multi-languages on this. Now we're going to go ahead and concentrate there. Now, as you can see there, puts out 1150 lumens on turbo. That's a lot of light. Now if you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to move on. We have a clip, USB charging cable, two O-rings. Let's go ahead and take out the light. And there it is. Knurling on here is nice and rough. That'll help with gripping the light if you're wearing gloves. Side switch, and you also have a tail switch. And you got some heat sinking here, but it's not real deep. Definitely easy to carry this light. Use it as a tactical light. Style and design on this is very nice. Yes, the machining and finish on this is excellent. Not seeing any issues. No sharp edges. Now the button here does stick out past the body. Should be able to find that in the dark. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XP-L HD V6 LED. Try to get a close-up of that for you. There we go. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll take the battery out here. Now just remember, they don't put a plastic protection piece on the battery. They just unscrew the barrel and the tail cap from the light. So it's going to come in a little loose. Make sure that you tighten the barrel and the tail cap to make a proper contact. Now we're going to go ahead and take the head off the barrel. There's the spring. Greased threads. grease threads on the other end as well. We'll show you the tail spring. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the battery that comes with this. Is a WowTac 3400 milliamp. This is an 8 amp cell protected. It's got the charging port here built on the battery. And on the battery you got two LEDs. Green when finished, charging when red. And this adds very nice runtime as well as power for the light. So very nice high amp batteries included. Especially these are very affordable. So that's a big plus. You've got a good battery right out of the box. Alright, so now we're going to go through the UI. Now the UI consists of the tail clicky to activate the light, just like that. And now you've got the side switch. See there, activating the light via the tail switch. So now we're going to go ahead and go through those light outputs. And as you can see, beam is on the narrow side. And you've got SOS. Now that is inline. And in order to get to the other special mode, you're going to press and hold the side switch. We'll get you strobe. Now that is a constant speed on the flashing. Click it one time. We'll go back to the last light output you have. This does have memory mode. Turn it off here. You can also use it as a pressure switch. So I want to go to the highest output here. Turn the light off. Now you can use it as a pressure switch. Blind you. Or you can just fully press that. Now as you can see here, the beam got a nice hot spot here. A little bit of bleeding around the edge, but the spill is really tight. So it's going to have more of a combination beam, which is one of my favorites. That looks really good. And easily turn that off with the tail clicky, turn it back on, back to the lowest light output. Really easy to use, nothing difficult. Remember, the SOS is inline after the highest output. Strobe, press and hold if you need that. And that's all there is to this light. WowTac makes some of the best budget lights that you can get. Now there's other companies out there, but WowTac is really making a solid light here, especially in performance. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the WowTac A1S. Let's go ahead and get started. That's the lowest light output, and that's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Take a look at it here on the fence. Show you the beam. And faintly making 65 feet. That's impressive. Alright, let's go to the next level here on the water spout. See how it does. Spillers come alive. Almost making it to the parks there. 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. Tree line, fence line. See the range of it. Kind of give you an idea along the fence. And it is making 138 feet to the Tree of Life, even on this light output. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here on the Tree of Life, see how it improves. There's the next level. And the UI is normal to do that. You gotta step back up once it's been on that level for a while. Making it across the park there now. Tree line, fence line. Making it across the park to those playgrounds. It's impressive. Faintly making a tree behind the Tree of Life, which is 238 feet. Been cold out here. Alright. Go to the next level here on the Tree of Life. We'll see how it does. There it is. Look at that. The beam is, the hotspot that is large enough to light up the whole thing almost. Making it to the school with these, even with the lights on. Faintly making that first palm tree. Do a before and after here. Now it really lights up the tree there behind that, 238 feet. As a reminder, even those further out, they're all coming from this little light. Making it to the playgrounds now with these. Tree line. Do a beam profile here. Not too big. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Excellent performance, especially for the light, the size of it. Really impressive. I think it has a lot to do with the battery, of course, is going to give you the better runtime, and the fact that they're keeping it at a price point that's very budget friendly. That's another amazing thing about these WowTacs. So now this light is great because it's super easy to use. So if you buy them as a gift or give them to family members, they're pretty much going to be able to turn that on and just go through those light outputs. Really simple. And not only that, but if somebody wanting to use it for tactical purposes, this light, I believe, is perfectly set up for tactical uses as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put on the clip on this light. Kind of show you here before I end the video. And it's really easy to put that on there. Nice, sturdy. And you don't have to have it on there if you don't want it on there. And I've also got to say that this WowTac A1S is an excellent flashlight kit. Really am surprised at the price point as well on this. So I want to thank WowTac for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, especially since it's a flashlight kit, comes with everything you need, look down in the description area. I'll leave a link there to their Amazon store. And if you're a Prime member, you'll be able to get this shipped to you a lot quicker. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these WowTacs to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.